Hey guys, welcome back to Sunny's ToyBox. I'm really excited because we have the coolest opening today and I haven't seen anything like it. I mean, there might be heaps of this stuff around, but I have never personally seen anything like it. So it's from Star Wars Pocket Model Trading Card Game. This is the game pack, and as you can see, it has Darth Vader on the front. He is my favorite character, so I'm so excited. It's called Ground Assault, and it has 4 to 8 pocket models and 6 game cards and 30. I have no idea what that means, but it looks pretty cool. So on the back, you punch them out to punch out the different things. Over 80 different units to collect, and you build them and then you play, so you can actually use them in the game. How cool is that? 6 random game cards inside, and so there's just an example: Snow Troopers, tight formation, and then you've got this, which I know it's like right there on my tip of my tongue, but I can't remember the name of it. And if you want to find out more, I guess you go to that website. Super cool. So over here, it's a 2 to 8 player game. Normally takes 15 to 25 minutes, and it's ages 8 and up. So there you go. Oh my goodness. Let's give it a bit of a shake so that I don't cut any cards. I've also got another one like this. This is the only Ground Assault pack that I got. There's also another one. So I'm going to open that in another video very soon. Yeah, and if you guys are wondering, I got this from, where did I get it from? The Reject store. Goodness, what is this? So they're the objects of the game. So if you want to pause it to read it, you can. So there's different things, I guess. Cool. How to build them. Whoa. This is how to build the different ones. That is so cool. And then there's a quick reference. So play one objective, take one action, and then you can move or combat or strike. And there's the different icons, if you guys can see. I hope you can see. That's a bit better. Yeah. This is setting up the game, playing the game. I'm guessing that's what it should look like, if you can see that. Yes, that's what it's meant to look like, and that's the other side. So let's see what we actually got. So we'll do the cards first. This is so exciting. So we got strength in numbers. That is so cool. Number 7, uncommon, +1. We got droid patrol. We got 8, uncommon. I really don't know what these mean. That's such a beautiful photo of Padme. Oh my goodness. And this is a rare. There you go, guys. First rare. 8. That is beautiful. I love Natalie Portman as Padme as well. So this is a common, tight formation. 7. Narrow escape, common, and it's 8. And slow advance, common, which is also an 8. So there we go. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look. Look at those little tiny dice. Can you see them? That's my finger. That is my finger right there. They are tiny. So cool. Oh my goodness. Let's open it. I'll try really hard not to lose the dice. So, let's see. There we go, that's better. went all blurry and horrible. So let's see. I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea. Whoa. So it's obviously... So what does this say? Mace Windu's Jedi Fighter Tank. 2 attack, 8 defense, 3 shields, damage. And then you've got the different things down there. And what's this? Luminara and Dooley's Jedi Fighter Tank. Cool. And that would be the same on the other side, of course. And this, oh my goodness, what is this? 88th Mechanized TIE Crawler. 323rd Imperial TIE Bomber. 267th Imperial TIE Bomber. And 221st Mechanized TIE Crawler. So there's all of those. Oh my goodness, these are so cool. So crazy. Whoa. There you go. Well, I will put them together and then show you guys what they look like. These are amazing. Okay, well, I've popped them out. And here we go. So this is one TIE Bomber. So cool. Awesome. And here is the other one. They look amazing. I can't believe how well they turned out. So those are the 2 TIE Bombers. Here are the TIE Crawlers. And those were alright to build. These were the really hard ones. So this is Mace Windu's Jet Fighter. And I don't know if you can see that. This one was actually a lot tougher to build. And these are really cool. I think they're strikes. So I guess you can put them at the front and make it look like they're shooting things. And that's for both of them. So that's that one. And this is Luminara Anduli's Jedi Fighter Tank. And this one I'd already gotten the hang of it so it wasn't so hard this time. And that again has some of those shooty thingies. So there you go, guys. I hope you really enjoyed checking out the Ground Assault Star Wars Pocket Model Trading Card game. I absolutely loved it. It was really exciting and so much fun to actually put together and show you guys. So I'm going to open another one in another video. So feel free to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Bye, guys.